plugging out in the van.
And what do you do in the van?
We collect the paint and then bring it back to Seagulls.
What would happen to the paint if we didn't collect it?
It would get put into the ground, get thrown away into the environment.
How much paint do we save from landfill each year?
372 tonnes.
Why do you like coming to Seagulls?
It's getting me out more. I'm working.
And how do you think Seagulls has helped you?
And it's got good friends and people.
That's a good answer.
I love collecting paint. We work with 50 volunteers per year. We have a large paint shop. I work very hard. Well, this video's lasting too long.
Sorry Lee, we're not quite finished. That's what we do, and this is what we want to do. We want to grow.
And we're really stunned that after 20 years we're still here and there's a need, even more of a need for what we do. So it's really, really important that we can fill that gap in provision that is out there and provide more support and more help for people who really, really need it and continue to grow and do our bit for the environment. But like I keep saying, we've got an enormous role to play in this city, an enormous role to provide people with support to be able to get themselves back to where they need to be.
Yeah, and people want what we do. So yeah, brilliant. So what are we going to do?
Well, we're going to have a much better paint mixing area so we can make the shopping experience more pleasant for people. We can get more of our environmental reuse paint out the door and not in the ground. We can provide workshops and training for some of the most marginalised people across the city, and and give them some hope and give them some opportunities to get their lives back on track. And with that new space, we can probably help more than 50 people extra per year than we are now.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it? And the fact that we can really link in with the prisons and people on Rottle, which is sort of day release from prison, and people who've come out of prison and just need somewhere to start and somewhere to belong.
Exactly, and young adults with learning disabilities, there's nothing out there for them. And we know from all the work we've done over the years how incredible and fantastic these guys are, and how much they've got to offer and how much we've got to offer them. And there needs to be some money so that we can keep doing what we do and keep helping people more.
Yeah, and I think it's important that we remember that we're a social enterprise, so that our focus and our time is as much about our business, but it's about the people and it's about the environment. So yeah, that's, I suppose, why we're asking for some help at this point, isn't it? For people to invest in Seagulls and who we are, because we are a social business, and with a bit of investment now we can grow to be able to have the plastic refill shop, to be able to have screen printing workshops, to be able to have upcycling workshops. It's brilliant.
And to be able to enable people to have skills that they feel confident enough to go out there and take elsewhere, and to provide more jobs for people within the city. But we're offering jobs to people who really do struggle to get back on the ladder for various reasons, and that's really important.
Yeah, to think that sort of 90% of our staff team is made out of people who volunteered here is pretty incredible, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
And one of my friends said, she said that we really do pick people up. And I thought, oh, brilliant. Yeah, that's great. We pick people up.
We do. And we pick ourselves up at the same time.
Yeah.
And the experience people get when they come in here, it does make them think about the environment, it makes them think about reusing stuff, because they get a positive benefit from that. So, they're buying their tin of paint, and that tin of paint is something that would have gone and poisoned the ground, but they're getting a bargain, and they're thinking, actually, it is worth making that little extra effort to reuse something.
1, 2, 3. We got people!